It takes 20,000 to 40,000 litres of water to produce 1 kilo of beef. Scientists have calculated that we would actually save more water by forgoing 1 pound of beef or 4 hamburgers than by not showering for 6 months.
It's very clear that when you grow grain and then feed it to animals and then eat the animals, you lose 90% of the energy from the original grain. So not only can you feed fewer people on the agriculture that you have, but as they discovered, it also requires a lot more fossil fuel energy to make that happen.
We have to choose a vegetarian diet, no more animals breeding, choose organic farming, helping each other, sharing the food that we have, because if we are vegetarian, all of us, we will have so much food to share with everybody. No one will ever go to sleep hungry at night anymore. And then we will have save a lot of time, energy, money to help them also combat disease and rebuild their lives, everything possible, because there will be no more war, even with animals. Peace begins at home.
Be veg, go green, to save the planet.
For more urgent details, please visit suprememastertv.com/SOS.